Hi everybody, this is Ian, author of the Lean Media book blog and video channel, available from leanmedia.org. Today I'm going to be talking about creating a discount code to a collection on Shopify. And if this video helps you, please take a moment to like it and subscribe to my channel. Disclaimer, you're responsible for following relevant terms and your experience may be different than what I'm about to show you. And here's what I'm about to show you. Shopify, creating discounts. You've probably done it before, but let's say that instead of creating a discount that's site-wide, you want to create a discount to just a certain area of your Shopify store. So here's my Shopify store, and all of these things are collections. So let's say that I'm doing a special promotion. I want to create 10% off of all of the PDFs. In Shopify, it's much easier to work with existing collections than it is with selecting a whole bunch of different products, because PDFs, you can see from this collection, I have a lot of different products there. I don't want to add everything one by one to the discount code. So I'm just going to add the whole collection. It's pretty easy to do. And let's show you how it gets done. So go to your Shopify store, click on discounts, discount codes, create discount. Choose discount code. Do not choose automatic discount. Basically, you want the users to enter this code or to click on a special link that you provide in order to get the discount. So the link, you might share it in a newsletter, or you might put it on social media or whatever. So let's call this one PDF 10. So this is the code that people have to use. It's going to be a percentage discount, 10%. Now, here's where you choose the collections. Here it says all products. We want specific collections. Search collections. So this collection is called PDF. Actually, you can see I have several different collections, including paid PDFs. I want this one. Click add. You can change the requirements, eligibility. I'm just going to leave it as is. So start date, I always advise putting a time limit on this. So let's end it at the end of the month. Okay. Save discount code. Here's the summary of it. Available on online sales channels, 10% off PDFs for everyone, active from today until August 31st. So a couple things to note here. It will only work with these particular products. So if I added this product to my shopping basket and then I typed in at the checkout phase, PDF 10, I'll get 10% off this product. However, if I'm looking at other products and I add some of those too, like this one, this is a physical product, it's not a PDF. If I add this one and I also use that same code, PDF 10, I will not get 10% off this one. It will only be on the PDFs that are in the shopping basket, whether or not you have other products in there. So just keep that in mind. A very important part of this is getting a shareable link. So get shareable link, collection page PDF. So I'm going to copy this link. And the great thing about this, actually, let's take a look and see what it looks like. New document. So here's the link, pasting it in. Let's make it look bigger. So this is a link I can include in my social media or in my newsletter. If you forget to do that at the very beginning, you can also go to promote and get a shareable link, and it will be the same thing. Copy the link and you're good. For more information on how to get the most out of your Shopify store, selling online, online advertising, Amazon selling, I have a whole bunch of videos about this on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to that. You can also go to leanmedia.org. Click on video and you can see it there. If this video helped you, if you could like it, I'd greatly appreciate it. This is Ian Lamont, hoping that I helped you out, and signing off until next time. Thank you.